Hello and welcome to Reno Radio. My name is Naomi Findlay and I am Australia's rapid renovation expert. And each week I will be bringing you valuable tips, information and amazing stories from around the world about renovation. Helping people create wealth through renovating is my passion, as well as creating healthy, wealthy and beautiful spaces to live in and to share. Thanks for spending time with me today. Now let the show begin. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Naomi Findlay. Hi there, Christiana. My name is Naomi Findlay and I work with people on creating beautiful, healthy and wealthy spaces. Our environment around us impacts us more than you could ever imagine, but we continue to expect good seeds to grow in bad soil. So I'm really excited this week to let you all know that I'm teaming up with Denise Duffield-Thomas. That's right, lucky bitch. Those of you who don't know Denise, she is amazing. She works with people. Get online, check her out at luckybitch.com. She works with people on their money mindset and their money blocks. She helps them create the job, the world, the life they want by clearing their money blocks and blowing away any glass ceilings that they may have. So I'm so excited to let you all know today that NaomiFindlay.com is teaming up with Lucky Bitch. We have a free video series that is going out right now. You can opt in for it. It's at NaomiFindlay.com/Space Medicine series. Now, the reason that I'm doing this is there's a huge connection between your environment and things like money blocks. Anyone who has seen Denise or watched any of Denise's things before, you would know that there's a massive attachment between money blocks and clutter in our spaces, clutter in our wallets, clutter in our workspaces. And there's also some great evidence to suggest that we increase our productivity and our efficiency and our creativity when we nurture our bodies, our minds, our souls, and our cells by our environments. So it goes hand in hand that you're going to be blasting your money blocks away when you work first on yourself and on your space. So if you want to be part of this, if you want to catch the train, for example, head over to NaomiFindlay.com/Space Medicine series and you will get into the free video series and get to learn all about space medicine and how you can truly leverage your space, leverage your environment to make it a productive, nurturing and creative space for you to grow. So I hope you've enjoyed today, everybody. I'll be back next week with some tips and I'll let you know how we went with our amazing partnership with Lucky Bitch. Talk soon.